What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy. Hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got an 07 Cadillac Escalade. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. The things that you're into, consider subscribing or following. That's what we do here at the channel. Anything car, audio, or install related, that is what this channel is about. What you want to do is take off this bottom part. Now, this car is a little bit older, so these clips that's actually holding this in might not even be down so tight. So I want to come back here and kind of pop that off like that. It is literally only held in with clips at the bottom right here. Now this will go for 07, 08, 09, I think up to 2010. So if yours is in a little bit better condition than this one, then maybe not try to pull that panel up by this alone, but maybe use this as to get some more leverage while you have your panel removal tool popping that clip up. Just a little tip. Only thing holding this down is a cigarette lighter port. We're gonna unhook that. Now next we have to take this off. We are going to need our panel removal tool for that. Come down here. Pop some of them clips. That whole piece pops off. So now that we have those off, we can kind of come. Let's see if we can kind of grab it from the bottom. Yeah. This whole little piece is held in by clips. You can definitely still use your panel removal tool, but I like to use hand pressure when I can. And that whole thing slides off, and then we have these two harnesses on each side. And now we have that piece. And next we have 6 7mm bolts holding this radio. So it's going to be 3 on the right side, 2 at the top, 3 on the left side. Take out these harnesses. And now we have that factory radio 100% removed.